Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make a treble crochet stitch. It's quite tall, taller than the double crochet. To start, you have to have a foundation chain ready. Learn how to do it by watching other videos from our beginners series. If you have your foundation chain ready, add another 4 chain stitches to it. Now yarn over 2 times. It means wrapping the yarn from back to front on the hook 2 times. Now find the 5th chain stitch counting from the hook. Insert the hook in the stitch, keeping an eye on the yarn overs. We don't want them to unravel. Now pull up a loop so that you have 4 loops on the hook. Work them 2 by 2. Grab the yarn and pull through the first 2. You should have 3 loops on the hook now. Let's grab the yarn again and pull through another 2. Now you have 2 loops. Work these 2 the same way so that you are left with just 1 working loop. This is your first treble crochet stitch. Continue in the same way. Yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop. Work them 2 by 2 until you are left with 1. Make 1 treble crochet stitch in each chain of the foundation, including the slip knot. Great! Now we have to move to the next row. We again need 4 additional chains to start the next row. This is our turning chain. Now turn the work over. Just like in double crochet and other tall stitches, the turning chain works as a stitch. It's important to remember that to keep the right stitch count. When you find the right stitch, yarn over twice and start working. You already know how to do it. When you reach the end of the row, remember that the turning chain also counts as a stitch. Find the chain stitch right next to the regular stitch and work the last treble there. That's all! Now you know how to make a treble crochet stitch. You can find written instructions and a photo tutorial on Your Crochet website. The link is in the description box. If you liked learning with us, leave a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to this channel. For more inspiration, go to the catalog of thousands of free crochet patterns on yourcrochet.com. Bye bye!